Hello, this is Seamus in 7MYW. Well, I decided to finally break down and purchase a Nano VNA. I've been wanting one of these for a long time, and this is just more of an unboxing and not a how-to or how do you use, but there are plenty of those out there, and I'm not really sure that I'm going to post a video or anything showing how it's used, but I purchased this from Amazon. I think if I remember correctly, it was $60. And actually came to me really quickly. But just wanted to do an unboxing as to what you receive in here. So, and of course, for those who don't know what a Nano VNA is, primarily it's a network analyzer for measuring various things within the ham radio and other hobbies and other fields, electrically and electronically. But I thought I would get one of these because I want to start getting back into building antennas. So, I'm going to need one of these. Plus, it's nice to use for the ones that I already have. So, take that off of there. Comes in a nice box. Let's say that. Let's see here. That open. Very, very cool. It's like a nice setup. They give you a nice little structure map. Cool. Shows you all of the menu systems on this particular item, and small little. And this is actually kind of like your stylus in a way. I've never liked these, but some people like them. There's your USB. It's a USB-C for the charger, so that's kind of cool. Go ahead and take this out of here, put that off to the side. Now, first of all, we're going to look over here to see what these look like. These are the connectors that you put onto the Nano VNA so that you're able to measure and calibrate. So that's what it is right there. That's the Nano VNA, and it's a little plasticky. I'll say that. It does feel it, but it feels solid. It doesn't feel like it's super cheaply made. And there's the screen. And that see if I can get a little bit closer. It's a small screen. It's a 2.4-inch screen, if I remember correctly. But it's nice and vibrant, and I haven't even pulled off the little screen protector yet. I'm going to leave that on for now, but this will do so many different things. If I remember correctly, you just tap in the corner up here, and there's the menu system right there. Let's see if you can see it. Yeah, I can see it a little bit better there. So it's not going to be great for people with a really hard of sight, or I'm having a hard time speaking today. People have problems with sight without glasses. You're going to need some glasses for some of these. They're so small. Anyway, so that's what it looks like. I'll go ahead and turn it off for now. And there are the fittings. We have the 3 fittings there. And there's also some jumper cables. And another fitting, which I believe goes over here. So, that is what you get. Not a lot, but for $60, it's going to work. It's going to do the job. I'm really looking forward to getting into not only building some antennas. Most of the antennas that I want to concentrate on are going to be in the 2 meter, 220, 70 centimeter, and 900 megahertz range. I really enjoy 900 megahertz, and while we don't have a ton of activity in my area, we do have some. There's some hams that are using it in both DMR and FM, and I'm looking forward to making antennas for that, because the one that comes with my Motorola is not the most adequate. So that is what it looks like. This is it's a nice little VNA. Again, bought this on Amazon for $60, and I think it looks like it's going to be a lot of fun to play with. So, stay tuned in the future. I won't necessarily do how-to videos, but I am going to show some of my antennas and what kind of numbers I have on some of those, and that is going to be as opposed to using a standard cross needle style of SWR meter, which I have as a Daiwa. So. Thank you so much for watching. I'm really enjoying the YouTube channel. I don't do it to make money. I certainly don't have any sponsors, but would love it if you are interested to follow. So please subscribe. Doesn't cost anything. Hit that thumbs up if you can. And let me know in the comments below what you think. And of course, that notifications icon for whenever there's going to be any future recordings. So thank you for watching. This is Seamus, and 7MYW saying 73.